Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to switch back to the classic version of OneDrive on a Mac computer for Office 365. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. We can now start the tutorial. So let's now go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com and make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on applications, go to all applications, scroll to explore all the applications, and now let's search for OneDrive. I have found it. OneDrive allows us to safely store files, photos and more. Let's click on this. And now the purpose of this tutorial is to revert back to the original version, the classic version of OneDrive. Bottom left corner of the screen where it says return to classic, click on this, and now this should take us to the classic version of OneDrive, what it used to look like, and it still does once you revert back to this version. I'm not too sure how long they will allow us to keep switching back and forth, but for the moment you should be able to. However, in the near future, if they do remove that feature, we will be on the new version, and so we will then not be able to revert back to the classic version as we see on screen. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.